Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M4 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So you can see in my case it was half an hour and most of the time I've spent on the settings. You've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So basically you can tap either inside this graph, you will be transferred to the dashboard which will show you the time which you've spent on the screen in particular days. You can check how much time you've spent on specific apps. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, phone, themes, whatever, just tap on it. And as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with the one app. You can change the screen time again to the notifications and times opened, and from daily to hourly. If you decide that you spent too much time on the screen, you can check those ways to disconnect. So you can set specific timers. So for example, focus mode, bedtime mode, etc. You can mark the apps which you'd like to turn off, kind of, and your device will simply hide, for example, the notifications from specific apps in specific hours of your choice. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.